The five most important things in my life, number one is my relationship with Jesus Christ. I used to be a Muslim. I don't believe in Jesus Christ before, but I want to thank the Lord for opening up and letting me understand that I am a sinner, that the only way to the Father is through the Lord Jesus Christ. He died for me on the cross, and I cannot pay my own sin. I will never be holy, but because of what the Lord Jesus Christ has done on the cross of Calvary, I can be righteous in the eyes of God. And I want to thank the Lord Jesus Christ for letting me into His family. The second one is, of course, my relationship with my family. The third one is the ministry that God has entrusted to my life. The fourth one is my health, of course, that's very important to me. And lastly, the people that God has placed upon my life. That's the five most important things in my life today.
There are five things that are important to me. First, is my relationship with God. The other one is my family. The other one is my loved ones, my friends, and my career. Without them, my life is miserable.
Five things that is important to me. First, of course, God. And second, my family. Third is my study. And fourth is my cell members. And the fifth is my friends.
Five most important things in my life. First, my God, my relationship with my God. Next, myself, because I could not be effective if I don't love myself. The third is my children. They are important to me. My family, my work. I have to be. I have to work not to satisfy only myself, but also to glorify my God. And last is the people around me, because without them it is difficult. Like the saying goes, no one is an island.
Five important things in my life. So first is relationship. So when talking about relationship, it's like first is my relationship with God. My relationship with God means to follow Him, to follow Jesus, no turning back. So I have decided to follow God and enjoy my relationship with Him every day and all the days of my life. Relationship with my family. So family is God's institution. Family is my covering. Family is always there for me in times of troubles. So that is also important for me. Relationship with my friends. So we need friends. All of us need friends. So that's very important. Relationship with my office mates, my workplace. So it's good to see, it's good to see, or it's good to have a good relationship with friends, because they are also important people to help you in times of need. Relationship with my sisters and brothers in faith. So that's also important for me, because of relationship. And then last is relationship to the one God created for me. I'm still looking for Him actually. Okay. Now, second important things of my life is integrity. So when we say integrity, you are a man or woman of honor. So when, like example, let your yes be yes and your no, no. And then third important things in my life is faith. So we all need faith because faith is I mean, when we say faith, if you are expecting for things you do not see. So I believe, especially my faith in God, I know that whatever plans He has for me, I know by faith that He will surely do it it will surely come to pass. So I'm expecting something, like I'm desiring something in my heart, which I believe only God can grant it. So that's faith for me. And then fourth important things in my life is generosity. So me as a social worker, I know that I am called to work with people, not only to give them things that is tangible, but also relationships to people in low profile, to people, the poorest of the poor. And I can say that I really love to work with people like this because they need us, they need God. I have God in my life, I can share to them. So I can give whatever I have, not only in material things, but also emotional, spiritual, even psychological. And then fifth, important thing in my life is beauty, di ba? So beauty is needed, not only beauty outside but also beauty inside.